Hey y'all, so we'll be going over PowerShell for sysadmins. I'm just gonna go over the book, go chapter by chapter. Gonna have a whole series all the way through. So just starting out, going over the overlay of like everything. So uh, there are one, two, three overall sections throughout the entire portion. So the first part is fundamentals. Second part is automating day-to-day tasks, which that'll be awesome. And then the third part is building your own modules. So chapter one is just gonna get started. I'm gonna make there'll be looks like 20 chapters. So there's gonna be 20 episodes. Is what we're gonna do. So I've done this before, but I think that was a lot more junior in cyber. That I didn't really understand what I was doing, but I've been doing this for about 10 years now. So I have a pretty good grasp. There might be some points where I trip up or whatnot, but it's all part of the fun. A lot of learning. Happy. If you have any questions, drop it down below. Hope I can earn a like from you and subscribe. So we'll start it off. So, going. I guess I can get an overview about everything. So first is getting started. Second is basic PowerShell concepts. Third is combining commands. Fourth, control flow. Five, error handling. Six, writing functions. Seven, exploring modules. Eight is running scripts remotely. Nine is testing with Pester. 10, parsing structured data. 11, automating Active Directory. That'll be cool. That'll be, yeah, I'm going to have to look at 11. 12, working with Azure. 13, working with AWS. I'm not so much of a cloud guy. I don't think I will, but hey, it's something. 14, creating a server inventory script. Sick. 15, provisioning a virtual environment. I really could like this book. 16, installing an operating system. 17, deploying Active Directory. 18, creating and configuring SQL server. 19, refactoring your code. And 20, creating and configuring an IIS web server. Yeah, I'm excited for this book. I've only read the first three chapters, so now I'm actually like really excited to start this series with y'all. So, okay, introduction. I'm just gonna like kind of skim it. If there's any code, that's gonna be the most important thing. So, a lot of the top is why PowerShell. Who's this book for? IT professionals, system admins who are tired of clicking around in the same GUI and performing the same tasks for the 500th time this year. Yeah, solid. All right, part one, fundamentals. Getting started. So let's actually bring up PowerShell because that just makes sense, right? PowerShell ISE, run as administrator. Boom. All right. So, all right, first commands. What we got? CD. CD to Windows. Dir. Showing the directory. Get alias. That's all the different aliases that we have. So, a lot of these with Windows, they're very like simple. They try to like shorten it up. It's not as great as Linux in my opinion. It's still something. So got a lot of these. Think a few that you would use. History, that's one. You got CD, you got kill, which is stopping a process. There's a few more. There's mount, move, move item. So it's the same thing. Move and MV, same thing. There's a few. Once you start using PowerShell and Bash more, and you start getting around the consoles and CLIs, you get used to what is normal. So, boom, boom, boom. So they have in here get command name get alias. So it just shows what it's associated with. So, boom. Get command verb get shows all the ones that start with get. Goes verb noun. That's every single one of these. So pretty easy. Get command noun content. So at the end of it, there's add content, clear content, get content, and set content. You'll see that pretty similarly. That's going to be a get, set, add, clear. It's pretty common. So Get command name get content. Right, there's the command. Alright, we're on page 8. So, displaying the docs, get help, huge one. You always want man pages or help. Anything that's going to give you more information. That's the biggest part about cybersecurity, is just knowing how to troubleshoot, where you're supposed to be looking in the right direction. That's going to help you out tremendously. So, get help, add content. The update help CMD commandlet downloads the most current help files for Windows PowerShell modules and installs them on your computer for more information. Update tech help commandlet. Boom, boom, boom. All right, I'll just suspend it. Not interested. Boom, boom, boom. Get help. Add content. I think this is just gonna literally give what I just denied. Yeah, it is. We're gonna suspend that again. All right. So then, learning about general topics. Boom. Help about core commands. Let's end it. Alright, keep on going. Page 10. So now, just going to download all of this. So, just updating all the files. So, I guess some of the other things says get tech help, tech name, and about star. It's going to look at everything with afterwards, with about and then afterwards, because that's how the star works. It's going to look for any of that. So, all right. And that's the end of chapter 1. So this is just an introduction. If you have any questions or anything, I'm going to be doing this week by week all the way through. So chapter 2 will be next week, and it's going to be basic PowerShell concepts. So hope you enjoy. Have a good one.